Question number 13 here is actually a very difficult question, despite the fact that on the face of it, it looks relatively straightforward. The first thing we need to do here is have a look and think about what type of maths this question involves. And we find that as soon as we get to the second line, which is then repeated again and again, and this question is about finding the mean average. We remind ourselves that finding the mean is to add up all of them and divide by how many there are. But this question has a slightly different twist on that information, where the mean has already been found and we're almost asking ourselves to work backwards. So we have a carton, and inside the carton is 18 packets of sweets and 12 boxes of sweets. It then goes on to say that these 18 packets and 12 boxes together, making our 30, has a mean average of 14. So what that says to us is that in each and every one of those 30 containers there is an average of 14 sweets, or 30 lots of 14 sweets, which would suggest that in total there's 420 sweets across all of those packets and all of those boxes. It then separately says the mean for just the sweets in the packets is 10. So we have 18 packets averaging 10 sweets per packet, so that's 180 sweets. It would not be unfair to say that the remainder would be all of the sweets that were in the boxes. So if we now do 420 subtract 180, we're left with 240 sweets. And those 240 sweets are inside the 12 boxes. So if we divide this by 12, we know that the average number of sweets, the mean average number of sweets per box must be 20.